Did you know that one of the best sources for fundraising information related to foundations is free? If you haven't heard of Guidestar, you should check it out, guidestar.org. It's where all the 990s of nonprofits are posted on the internet. And what that means is the tax returns of all nonprofits are scanned and then provided to Guidestar. Guidestar posts them on their website, and you can search for foundations in your community, in your state, across the country. Wherever you want to look, there's a great search function in Guidestar, and you can take a look at the tax returns for foundations. This is really helpful because you're able to see who they fund and possibly geographic limitations. And there are 3 pages within the documents that you want to pay attention to. Sometimes the foundation tax returns are upwards of 200, 300 pages, but don't worry about it. There's really only 3 pages that you're concerned with. And if you check out our blog post, there's a lot more detail in those 3 pages. But basically, what you'll see is there are 3 pages in the 990 that are really helpful. There's page 6, which provides a listing of the directors and the trustees of the foundation. There's page 10, which provides details about submitting proposals to the foundation. And then page 11 provides the list of the foundation's grants and gifts for the past tax year. Now, a lot of times these are in addendas. In other words, you'll want to go to the very end of the PDF document and then work your way backwards, because that's where the addendas are. But don't feel overwhelmed, and you can find out a lot of information about foundation funders that don't have websites, because a lot of times a lot of family foundations and smaller foundations, maybe they're not staffed, they don't have a website, but they do accept unsolicited proposals. And Guidestar is a great gateway for you to find out who these foundations are and how you can apply to them.